Welcome back to another video. So this video is talking about how to install the software. First, you can search in the Google XP Pen Deco 01V2. Then it will show out here to download. Then this is the device that I'm using. So I'm using the Windows, any Windows 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm downloading this one. So switch to here. You must extract all first. Extract. So this one is the software we are using. So I have here I'll install it. Then using this, of course the first thing you should use this one first. So this one you put here. Then the second one I don't want to restart. So this one you can here. Okay. There's a notification. So when I on this, it will show this. It will show this. So pen, your pen. You also this one. You can default it. Then you want, if you want the monitor one, then you press. Then I'm here already. If you want the second monitor, here. So you can see here. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.